guys, welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today we're going to be making a simple salad recipe. It's a go-to food in our house just because it's super light, super nutritious. I'm going to be trying a new dressing that we bought at the store just to let you guys know if it's any good or not, or what I think about it. So let's get right to work. Alright, so we got one full head of romaine, about a quarter of a red onion, half a cup of black olives, and these came whole. I just diced them myself. 3 cloves of fresh garlic, and I will be mincing those or pushing them through a press. About a quarter cup of fresh minced parsley, 2 carrots, 1 tomato, and a cucumber from our garden. We're using this Skinny Girl fat-free honey Dijon dressing, and I'm gonna try it on this recipe just to see how it tastes for you guys, let you know what I think. So that's about it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start chopping our veggies. Alright, so we're gonna cut the end of the lettuce, set it aside. Then I cut at about a 1/4 inch strips. I like my lettuce and my salad to be finer than most people, just cut thinner. Some people do, you know, about a 1/2 inch or 1 inch pieces. I just like my lettuce to be smaller. So that's basically how I cut it, just into 1/4 inch strips or so. Put that into our mixing bowl. And this is like the best go-to recipe because if you're in a rush, you can just whip this up in a few minutes and no need to cook anything. So with a carrot, I'm going to cut them into half moons, like so. I'm going to go ahead and throw the parsley in. It's already chopped. Now with our onion, you could do this a couple of different ways. You could feather it really thin, or you can cut it into small tiny pieces. I'm just going to feather it thinly. And I'm going to take this bigger piece on the end, and I'm actually going to dice it small. In we go with the olives. Now we're going to dice the tomato. Cut the end off. Then in half. Time to sharpen this knife. It's probably been close to 6 or 7 months since the last time I sharpened it, so it's starting to show. Look at all these beautiful colors and nutrients. That's what we should be eating, like lots and lots of colors. Super fresh, natural. This is very, very light, almost no calories in the salad. Probably about 100 calories per bowl. I think this dressing has 10 calories per serving, and it doesn't have any oil. So great filler if you're hungry. Alright, so we got 3 cloves of garlic, and with these I'm just going to go ahead and mince them real fine with a knife. If you got a garlic press, you can use that too. I got one, I just don't know where it is right now, so I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. And garlic is part of the allium family of plants, same as onions, and one of the best health plants that you can eat when they're raw. If you cook them, it loses a lot of its beneficial properties and cancer fighting phytonutrients. But if you leave it raw, it stays intact. So I always try to use a little bit of fresh garlic raw in my salads, and also some fresh onion, which are both super beneficial for disease prevention in many ways. Not to mention, I love the taste of garlic and onion. So there we got all the ingredients. Usually what I do is I'll take a pair of tongs and get everything evenly distributed in there. Oh, I almost forgot the cucumber, so gotta go back to. Now we're gonna take a cucumber, and what I do with the cucumber is I take my little peeler and I peel some of it off and leave some of the skin on. Just like that. Then I take the ends, cut them. Now we're going to take this part here. Some people take out the seeds. You can do that. This reduces the water content of the cucumber. You know, I leave it. Sometimes I'll take them out depending on my mood, I guess. I'm going to leave them today. And we're just going to chop it. So got some nice crunch to the salad. Okay, so now that all our ingredients are mixed in there really well, everything is evenly spread. Usually what I do is I'll just put this in a big Tupperware and put it in the fridge as is, and then I'll add whatever dressing I'm using. A lot of times it's just lime juice and salt, or cider vinegar and salt. I don't like, you know, to add fat and oil to my salads anymore. I try to stay away from that. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in a bowl here and add this new dressing. Give it a taste. Let you guys know what I think. The great thing about the salad is that you can eat a big old bowl and you're not going to get a lot of calories, because, like I said, there's nothing to it. So if you're trying to diet, this is a great thing to put into your food. Alright guys, so there is our beautiful homemade garden salad. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to share the channel and give us a thumbs up if you really liked it, so you can help us continue to grow healthy recipes. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys really soon on the next one. Okay, so like I said, this dressing has no fat and it's 10 calories per 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna go ahead, add about a tablespoon there, another one, just to give them a fair shot. Mix that in a little bit. Alright, now I'm gonna give it a taste for you guys. Let you know what I think. Got a little bit of everything in one fork. Wow. First thing I get, this dressing is very sweet. This has, you know, honey Dijon, so it's supposed to be sweet. It's flavorful. I'm getting some of the parsley, the garlic, the onion in that bite. Very crunchy, fresh, delicious. Got the olive in there. A little bit of fats, all natural, unprocessed. This is perfect just like this. Excellent salad as part of your healthy diet.